แล้วก็มีโอนบอสมีโอนบอสHorse and buggy.
Well, I don't know why Daddy bring us here. I said go the other way.
This is the main street. Whichever way you want to go. Come on.
But we missed it. We missed it. The other one. We're gonna walk back.
We can go back. Mi sister, just like.
What?
I'm gonna walk that way and come back to that street and come back.
Daddy, that's it?
Well, I mean, how far we can walk a long way? Come on.
No, we're gonna walk here and then go back. You're still gonna walk back. Huh?
I'm trying to use a little logic, but if we want to throw that out the window, go ahead.
Come on. Daddy, what's your plan? You avoid that one, and now what do you want to do?
I was going to walk down this way and then cut over to it and come back. Because most of the people were coming back. And we were hitting them head on.
But Daddy, we are not going to the street yet. You go and then go home? This is crazy. You gotta go straight and you finish this straight, right? Oh, go. Where's your fort? You want to go? The fort?
I'm not going there. It's dangerous.
This is the main street?
This is that way. It's the winter too.
How far?
Long way down that way. Long, long, long way. This is not the area to go into.
Well,
The other way.
look, many people are going this way.
Wait, the other way is where.
Look, there are so many, not just only you and me.
But I'm telling you, that's where all the stuff is that way.
Let's go and either one or block and go back that way. Because you can cross here. Look, are they just going to walk like that? That's scary, no.
other way.
Okay.
I looked at the map. This is basic.
You want to go to the Atlantic?
No. We want to go back to what I was trying to do.
Okay, but we have to get a crossing right there.
Okay.
There's the one that's crossing. Let's go. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my god, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay.
You want to go in the Gucci?
It's not open.
Not open. Really?
Maybe we should do a horse ride. Huh?
Yeah, that's a horse. You want to go on a horse?
She said no.
I don't.
How much is it?
$15 each.
$15 each.
1.5. Take you around the city.
Where are you going?
Take you around the city, show you the old residential areas, historical sites, and explain everything, and we start here and bring you right back.
Daddy, you have money?
We'll think about it, and when we.
Daddy, do you have money?
We'll think about it. I don't have any. I can get.
My name is Robert. If you decide, the ATM is right over there.
Okay.
You ask cash.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay.
For future reference, don't ever ask me if I have money in anything.
Daddy?
Because if I do say yeah, they'll say, all right, give me all your money.
Oh.
You can get robbed by saying
Daddy, he's nice.
Yeah, but-
$15 is cheap. Daddy, he's really a down-to-earth person, you can tell. They're just trying to
all right, but Katie
make
said
a
she
living.
wanted to-
Katie, maybe
I'll do it.
consider,
Yeah,
honey. It's okay, honey. We got to do something.
Do you want to do
Katie,
it?
you know, even a walking trip, that one take you $35 per person. This
Do you
is
wanna do
really
it? I'll
cheap
pay
already.
for it.
Katie, just walk. She said she'd rather walk.
Okay.
Katie, you cannot walk to the historic site, honey. You know, then they will explain everything. They are local, honey. His English is pretty good. Yeah, Katie, help him a little, honey. He's trying to make a living. Katie, it's okay. Katie,